Did you know that Weber grills and accessories are available at Tractor Supply? Let's go check it out. I partner with Tractor Supply to show you all that Weber has to offer in their stores. They've got a wide variety of grills and a huge selection of accessories like grill covers, smoking chips, cleaning utensils, propane, and seasonings, all with friendly curbside service. I grabbed this Weber Spirit 2 grill, put it together, and now I'm ready to cook for the family. Corn on the cob, hot dogs, hamburgers are going down. Make sure everything's seasoned to perfection. I'm feeding my family well tonight for sure on the Weber Spirit 2 grill. Get everything flipped while it's cooking. Now we throw the buns down and toast them to perfection. This is the type of meal that's perfect for my family in the summertime when we've got a million things going on and everybody loves it every single time. Check out the hot dogs, check out the hamburgers, check out the Weber Spirit 2 grill. So there you have it. Head on over to your local Tractor Supply store, pick up your Weber grill and accessories, and let's get cooking.